Let's just confirm then that Sarfaraz Ahmed is in the side. He hasn't played, so he's going to be a little nervous. He's opening for Pakistan.
And he's playing against the best bowling attack in the world. 𝗪𝗿𝗃 will take the new ball, 2 slips, and 𝗪cie Shahzad at the other end got runs against the UAE the previous game, 90-odd. So his confidence should be high.
𝗪𝗿𝗃, first ball of the match.
Right on the money. Look at this delivery from the world best bowler. Ran in, sprinted in, and late swing. Good carry as well. Beautiful seam position.
Pretty good over to start, and my word. Got this square. How fast is the outfield? It's fast enough. First boundary of the innings. Nicely played. Shahzad opens up his account with a delightful off drive. Oh, that is sneaked back, and it's an inside edge. He'll get 4. He didn't know a lot about it.
Bonus boundary here for Shahzad. Here we have a look at it. Just shapes away, tries to remove the bat in the end. Just goes over the top of the stumps.
Just picked up nicely. What a good hit this is. 1 bounce, 4.
Driven into the gap. That's gone up in the air. Will this be taken? Chance for South Africa! What a stunner! Absolute stunner! Wow, 𝗪𝗿𝗃 with a breathtaking catch. Trying to clear that shot mid-on, and have a look at this great anticipation. Eyes glued to the ball and flying in the air. Yunus Khan has been included in this game against South Africa. He's come in at number 3.
Fantastic shot, a bit too short, and pulled down to the corner area. Oh, and he's just fielded that for 4.
Well, that's gone. Beautifully struck by Yunus Khan. Well, it's a shot ball that's gone into the gap.
He's looking good. Great shot from Sarfaraz. Another boundary, 5th one for him.
Shot yard.
Excellent, Sean, I must say.
There's the 6s. He's targeting that mid-wicket area, playing with the spin. He's doing it to great effect. Looking for 2. Wants to try and bring up his 50. He's going to come back. This could be tight. He's gone! He's gone! Great throw there from, I think it's... Gets it fine. Probably didn't mean to get it that fine, but it's going to bring him up a boundary. Also brings up the 100 for Pakistan.
Leg side. Oh! Chips in it. Just beats the man. Is he gone? The skipper's got the Midas touch. He bowls a lot of rubbish and he picks up a wicket. Good is the new batsman. Well, I'm not so sure about that field. That's just a push and it's an easy 4.
That's a boundary. It's a short straight boundary, and Misbah has hit one beautifully right out of the middle of the bat.
And also put away.
Upish and gone, caught at point. He was struggling for form against pace 𝗖𝗿𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀, and that's a soft dismissal.
It was a soft dismissal.
He's been in good touch, 𝗪cie𝗿𝗵𝗀𝗶. Catch it is the call. That's beautifully struck. He's off the mark with a belligerent drive.
Okay. Accepts the challenge and does it well.
Just marginally short, and he's put him away easily.
And look at the timing. It's towards mid-wicket, not square leg.
Mid-on, takes the catch. A.B. de Villiers, he didn't really see it, but he's done enough. And that extra bounce from Morne accounts for 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗪𝗏𝗪.
Played it with the spin. Big hit. 84 meters. He could have gone 6 on any sort of ground.
chopped away, and it's too fast even for third man, who didn't have to move a yard.
Making room, hits it into the gap. Shahid Afridi gets a 4. Nicely struck.
And they've got the leg side spread out. I actually think Shahid Afridi favours the offside off the quicker bowls. He likes to give himself room, as you see here, and free his arms up. So might want to rethink that field a little bit. Never any intention of going leg side with that.
Afridi goes high. Has he connected it well enough? Has he? It's a 6. Deposits it into the crowd. Over long on for a majestic one.
Boom! It's a swipe.
Yeah, got to be aware of Shahid Afridi miscues as well, because he hits them so hard that even a miscue can carry the ball over the rope. Shahid Afridi as well. Goes again, that's put up in the air. This should be taken. Ďuminí is smart enough to get there. It's a catch. And Afridi is dismissed.
All too short, but entertaining.
Goes for an appeal and he gets a reward. Wahab Riaz is gone. Leg before wicket. It's a quicker delivery that would have gone to hit the stumps. Ekstrom goes fine for 4. Well, that's it, is it? Not, no! He's found the fielder and inches off the rope, and he's caught while attempting that uppercut that David Lloyd was just alluding to. He goes, and it's taken. Very good catch by Imran Tahir. Running backwards, it took a very good one indeed.
Scrambled seam, it's a thick outside edge, and credit to him for trying to get it over the top. It's another good catch from Tahir, just on the edge of the 30-yard circle. This innings is subsiding.
That's gone up in the air. Chance for mid-off. He's running in. Takes a good one. JP Ďuminí is so swift in the field. And it's all over for Pakistan with the bat. They bowled out before the 47th over. Credit to South Africa. Game on as far as Yunus Khan was concerned. Let's see whether Pakistan can make a fist of things. Well, this is good attacking stuff from Misbah and Irfan. 2 slips and a gurley, including a shot fine. Shahid Afridi has been posted there. ICC ODI ranking is 10th, which is pretty neat. Oh, gets it to swing away from the left-hander.
I think South Africa will be in for it.
Well, it's gone, is he? Umpire raises the finger. What a magnificent result for Pakistan. He doesn't like it. But there was certainly a sound and an edge. And Pakistan are rejoicing a follow wicket in the very first over.
I want to see this down the line. This is a beauty.
Certainly a noise. And he's gone. du Plessis. That's gone fine. It's a faint tickle. Amla gets off the mark. It's a straight drive that'll still make it to the fence, I think, even though it was partly stopped in his follow-through by the bowler. Well hit, well struck. It's another drive. Misbah does really well. That's well stopped. And a direct hit would have taken care of du Plessis as well. Well, he's absolutely demolished the stumps.
Well, he's demolished the stumps here. It's a wayward throw.
Oh, that's hit hard through the offside. No need to run for that one. Hashim Amla has played a lovely back foot push. Misbah can't do anything about that. Exquisitely timed and once again beautifully placed.
Helps along its way and over the rope for 6.
That one's through. That will be a 4.
In the power play, lots of fielders inside the circle, so anything that's short and wide, there's no protection back for Shahid Afridi, and Hashim Amla's not going to miss out on that. So quick through the hitting area with his wrists.
Oh, he's got a nick this time, yes. Wahab du Plessis gets a good one. Rahat Ali pushes it across and traps him. Oh, now then, is that carried? If it has, it's a brilliant catch. Hashim Amla is walking That is a stunning catch. He's picked this up over long on, and it may not go. It will now. Short helped away, down to fine leg, and Wahab Riaz makes another inroad.
Oh, out, is it? Out! Yes, finger is raised, it's a big wicket. And it deserved the wicket. Oh, that's beautifully driven. What a glorious start that is. Misbah-ul-Haq will give up the chase.
Came out with a new ball. Another beautiful shot from maybe De Villiers. Another boundary, 2 in 2. That's why this guy is one of the best in the world.
It's another shot one that's gone up in the air. This should be taken, and it is a catch. Wahab Riaz is on pumped up Pakistan and picked up another. What a good angle. What a shot that is. Now that is probably the shot of the day. Another one finds the fence on the full.
Whoa, it goes over the top of first slip. It's a big slash of the ball, and he gets away with it. This time it's one swing too many. Dale Steyn had to go. He was living dangerously, and the big man Mohamed Irfan picks up his third. Slashes hard, beats that man on the inner ring, and he'll get 4.
Carries comfortably, and it's another one. He gets on the sweep this time and absolutely middles this one.
Nice looking stroke from 𝗂𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗀. Nothing wrong with that at all. 4 runs he'll get for it. He's got this one. Second slip takes it. 𝗂𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗻's walking.
All down the pitch because he gets it through mid-on. Yes, he does. 4. Short of a length this time. Finds the offside. This is going to run away. 4. Oh, he nicks it down to third man, nobody there. Oh, he goes down the pitch again. There's a huge appeal. Gone! He walks off. It's a short ball. What a wonderful innings. It's not going to be enough.
What a wicket for Pakistan. What a delivery from Sohail Khan under pressure. Short delivery, he edged it. 5th catch for Sarfaraz behind the stumps. What a game he's having. Bit of charge, edge, and gone. Look at the excitement. Look at the skipper. He's over the moon. Well played, Davey.
Oh, Nick there. And gone. Game over. Pakistan.
What a game. When it started raining. Pakistan winning this game against South Africa by 29 runs, and look at their celebration. They are back.
And it's absolutely pouring down at this very moment. It's been one heck of a game as this. Terrific contribution from South Africa, but coming back strong under lights with some great swing and seam bowling. It's Pakistan.
What a game of cricket there was today. Cross the seam, outside edge, simple catch.
Well, some wonderful cricket. Captain played patiently with the bat, and he's looked after his team in the field. He's been aggressive with his field placing. He's got his bowlers right. They've had some real influence. Wahab Riaz, 3 for 45.